It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 11th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Our active weather pattern continues with a bit of a lull in activity as we go through the day today, but showers and thunderstorms will be picking up again tomorrow with the potential of heavy rain tomorrow afternoon through Friday. And we'll detail all of that. Plus, looking ahead at the weekend and next week, more active weather is likely. Let's discuss. Yesterday in the valley, we managed 73 degrees for our afternoon high, 60 the low. 75 and 53 are the normals, and 2,800ths of an inch of rain officially in the bucket at Sky Harbor. We've had a bit more since midnight. And outside now, here at 7:15 a.m., cloudy skies. In fact, low clouds with some light rain coming down as well. 61 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point's also at 61, so the relative humidity 100%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning mostly in the upper 50s and low 60s for a good portion of the metro. And the radar right now shows what's happening out there. We've still got some light rain coming down across central Arizona. Showers moving from southwest to northeast, so we'll see some rain through the morning hours. But again, a bit of a lull is expected as we go through the day today. In fact, the sun may even try to poke out at times. The upper air look this morning shows our weather maker sitting along the Southern California coast, a closed low. And that will just meander around for the next couple of days before finally moving off to the east, bringing in plenty of subtropical moisture as it does. The watch warning map, there it is, a flash flood watch now in effect for a good portion of central and western Arizona, southeast California, and southern Nevada. This includes the Phoenix metro area. It's in effect from 11 a.m. tomorrow morning until 5 p.m. Friday. So again, the potential of heavy rain that could produce some flash flooding will certainly be with us. Elsewhere, we've got some dense fog advisories along the Gulf Coast and a few winter weather issues out here in the west as well. Convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms around the Mississippi Delta, some of the adjacent areas there with a marginal risk surrounding that. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, thunderstorms possible, severe weather not expected, although storms tomorrow afternoon may produce a bit of small hail and some gusty winds as we'll outline. And precipitation for the next 7 days from the WPC, rain amounts in Phoenix still around 1.5 inches or so, with 2 to 3 inch amounts, maybe more, for the favored upslope areas of central and northern Arizona along the rim as well. Now let's get into the details of it as we explore the models and have a look. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper low along the Southern California coast, a broad southwesterly flow bringing plenty of moisture in here. So down at the surface, cloudy skies, some rain around this morning. We'll see a bit of a break in the activity as we go through the late morning and afternoon hours. Still could see some isolated showers and thunderstorms at that point, though. So high temperatures today should be on the mild-ish side, given all the clouds and rain. We'll be in the low 70s, not too far away from average. Tonight, cloudy skies, a chance of rain continues, and overnight lows mostly in the mid-50s to around 60. And then tomorrow, the day starts out relatively quiet, just some scattered showers around. But as we go through the afternoon, better dynamics will come into play as our low wobbles a little bit closer to the Southern California coast. The shear begins to increase across the atmosphere. And looking at the 3-kilometer NAM at 6 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, numerous showers and thunderstorms will start to line up. We might even see a little bit of unidirectional shear coming into the mix here. So we could see some training of echoes tomorrow afternoon. And heavier rain will start to come into the mix. So looking at the convective available potential energy, the CAPE values, the atmospheric instability, this is how buoyant the air will be. Values between about 500 and 1,000 joules per kilogram, and this sets the stage for thunderstorms to potentially develop. And again, we're not expecting severe storms, although some of the latest soundings are suggesting at least a marginal risk for some severe weather. But I think the biggest threat from storms tomorrow will be that heavy rain, with a minor risk of some small hail and gusty winds with the strongest storms. Either way, it's going to be wet by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, with heavy rain possible just about area-wide. High temperatures tomorrow still in the low and middle 70s. As we go to Friday, more of the same, mostly cloudy skies. That low will finally begin to move across the region. Numerous showers and thunderstorms will still be with us. And again, a few storms could put down some heavy rain, some small hail and gusty winds as well. The flash flood potential is the biggest concern, though, with this event. And high temperatures on Friday will be still in the upper 60s and low 70s. Now, keep in mind, during the next few days, it's not going to rain nonstop. We are going to see breaks in activity from time to time. And we might even see the sun poke out here and there, but we are going to just have this increasing risk of heavy rain, especially tomorrow and Friday. Now, as we go to Saturday, we may start out with areas of fog. In fact, it could even be widespread depending on how that pans out. Otherwise, the day on Saturday is partly cloudy, high temperatures in the mid-70s. Same thing on Sunday, mid, maybe even upper 70s, partly cloudy skies, perhaps some morning fog. And then Monday, here comes another low moving down the California coast. The global models pretty widely agree upon this solution. The timing is a little bit in question, but we could start to see some showers coming in by Monday afternoon and Monday night. So we've introduced another chance of rain here and high temperatures right around 70 or so. And then on Tuesday, this next system drops in here, and this feature looks to be quite a bit colder than our current system, although not quite as much moisture associated with it. Still a good chance that we'll see some rain, and snow levels will be coming down as well. High temperatures mostly in the low and middle 60s. Then a week from today, this is Wednesday the 18th, still looks unsettled with a broad trough here across the southwest. More chances of rain. And going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Friday the 20th. And that still looks unsettled with troughing lingering as a very large ridge now encompasses the northern Pacific and heading up into Alaska. So we're just going to have this continuation of wave action here across the southwest. All right, checking out the precipitation coming off the European ensemble. And again, there are 51 members here. And you can see there's a lot of red there. So over the next couple of weeks, the Euro is printing out rain amounts between 2 and 3 inches. The ensemble mean is pretty close to 2.5 inches. The latest deterministic member is over 3 inches of rain. This includes the rain we're getting now all the way out through late March. So it could be a very active period here. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models. Yeah, we're pretty close to average temperature-wise. A couple of days we drop into the upper 60s, but again, nothing all that out of bounds for mid-March here in the valley. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. Updates sooner if necessary. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. And a special shout out this morning to Michelle. Much love to you. If you think you're having a rough day, she's having her gallbladder removed this morning. So that's going to be rough. Anyway, get well soon. To the rest of you, be safe out there, enjoy the rain, and you guys have yourselves a great Wednesday.